What's happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2019. So now that 2019 is here, you obviously want to monetize your YouTube videos and make a living off of it, or just earn a little bit more of money just as a hobby. I'm going to guide you guys to 3 steps you can just complete and become a YouTube partner. So I would say let's move on to step number 1. In order to monetize your videos, you have to become a YouTube partner. It's not really that complicated, but you have to do a little bit of work to it. So I would say, let's go over to computer. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works step by step. I'll show you guys exactly how it works. Alright everyone, so right now we are on youtube.com/features, and when you will land on this page, you will probably see this monetization tab and it will say not enabled. So the first step is just go ahead and click on enable, and then right here it says account status monetization not enabled. You can apply for monetization at any time. All channels need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and helps protect the creator community. So the first thing you want to do is you want to accept the YouTube Partner Program terms, and then you want to figure out how many watch time hours you had in the past 12 months. So in order to do that is you want to go to the Analytics tab. Right here it says watch time in minutes and views and everything like that, and obviously everything is on 0 because I haven't been uploading on this secondary channel that I'm just using as an example. So in order to find out how many hours you have, you want to click on Compare Metric, and you want to click on More Metrics. And then right here under the Watch Time menu, you want to hit Watch Time hours. The next thing you want to do, you want to click on the period button, you want to pick custom range, and you want to pick the last 365 days, the last 12 months. So obviously I haven't been uploading on this channel, so that's only why I have 1 hour of watch time, but you need 4,000 in order to get accepted. So if you did all these steps and you see your watch time hours right here, if that's below 4,000, unfortunately you're not eligible yet, but just keep out cranking content, make those longer videos, get those 4,000 hours, and once you have those 4,000 hours, what you want to do then is next is sign up for an AdSense account. Now for everybody that don't know what an AdSense account is, that is basically where your earnings will go, where you can track your earnings. So if you click on start, right here it says you will be redirected to AdSense to link your existing AdSense account or create a new one if you do not have one yet. And then you want to basically set up your AdSense account and also set your monetization preferences. I'm not going to do that for this channel because I know this channel will not be accepted. There's no point of doing that. And then right here it says the last step is getting reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. If you have these requirements, you can actually apply for monetization and you should receive an email very, very soon. And if you're wondering, Alex, how long is it going to take until I receive my answer? At the bottom, we'll email you a decision, usually within a month or so. So they're going to take the time, they're going to review your channel, because you have to keep in mind, even though if you have 1,000 subscribers, if you have 4,000 hours of watch time, if your content is not, suitable for advertisers, they can still reject you as a YouTube partner, because you can have these criteria, but if YouTube says like, okay, advertisers don't want to spend their ads on your content, they can still reject you or anything like that. So now you can move on to the next step. Right, so now that your application is in review and 2 or 3 weeks later, you're just hearing, okay, congratulations, welcome to the team. Right now, you're a YouTube partner. Now it is time to enable the ads, the advertisements that are playing for your video, during the video, after the video. You have to enable these on your videos. So let me show you real quick how to enable ads on your videos. Okay, guys, so now that you're accepted, how do you enable the advertisements on your videos so you can start earning revenue? Well, it's really simple. Let's say that you have made in the past month 30 videos, and in your entire career you have made 500 videos. There's no way you're gonna enable ads on every single video separately. That's gonna take you days and days to apply these, so you want to just do that in bulk. So you don't want to pay attention to those green icons since I'm already a YouTube partner, but if you're just starting out and you want to apply these ads, what you can do is you can just check this box that will select all the videos on this page, but you can also just go ahead and select all your videos on your entire channel. And then what you want to do is you want to hit actions, and then you want to hit monetize. And then right here, you can select all the ads you want to have on your videos. You can see the overlay ads, you know, at the bottom. You can have these sponsored cards and skippable video ads. So these are the ads that will appear on your videos. And then you just want to hit monetize, and then YouTube is going to apply that to all of your videos. And if you have videos longer than 10 minutes, you can also just go ahead and hit add actions, add breaks, and then you can just add mid-rolls to videos, existing videos, everything like that. Earn a little bit more revenue by inserting more advertisements into one video, but that's only possible if your video is 10 minutes or longer. Alright, so now the ads are on your videos. It is basically time to wait until you have generated enough revenue in order to get paid. Now, I want to mention that YouTube has a threshold of $100. So if you want to receive your first paycheck from YouTube, you have to have from the first day of the month until the 30th or the 31st, you need to have earned $100 in order to receive your paycheck. Now, I can already hear you guys in the comments, Alex, how many views do I need for $100? Well, I can say the least to be safe is between 75,000 and 125,000 views. Between that window, you should be able to generate $100 depending on your CPM, depending on how many mid-rolls you have in your video, for example. If one video is going to generate 3 times as much, how long people watch your videos. So it's really, really important to just have at least 75,000 to 125,000 views in just one single month in order to reach that $100 threshold. And then YouTube will notify you and tell you that there is money on its way. Now, how do you get paid? Well, there are many different options such as bank transfer, PayPal, but you can all configure that in your AdSense account. But you can just real simple set your payment settings all up in your AdSense account. So before I'm gonna end off the video, I want to mention something really, really important, that you will always receive the money of a month 2 months after you made that money. If you're a little bit confused, let's say it this way: if you make money in January, you will get paid in March. If you make money in December, you will receive that money in February. I don't know why YouTube has this system, because if you're working a normal 9-to-5 job, you work in January, at the end of January, you will receive the money that you worked for in January. But in the YouTube world, it's a little bit different. So the money you make in, for example, May, you will get that one in July. So guys, I hope I cleared up some things. If you are still confused about something, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to respond to as many comments as I can. And if it went by too fast as well, just rewind the video, pause it, do it like that, and then you can just do the steps all over again. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for the continued support. I'll catch you guys in a brand new video, obviously tomorrow. So I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah.